It's okay, Cheesecake. There you go. There you go. Nothing in the pool is going to hurt you, I promise, baby. I promise, okay? There you go, Churro. You gonna go in, Biscuit? See? It's gonna be okay. Come on, Sprinkles. It's okay, baby. Come on. Well, that's better. The hose is working. You guys are at least drinking out of the pool now. You gonna try to get in the pool now? See? Nothing scary over here. There you go. You gotta get in to get those blueberries. You got this. You could do it. I'm right here if the pool comes after you. It's okay, Cheesecake. It's okay. You all right? At least you guys are standing up next to the pool now. That's good. Except for Sprinkles. You're not going to be able to access the blueberries from the bottom, sweetheart. I'm sorry. You can do it. You can go in. I'm right here. I'm right here, okay? I'll protect you. I'm not going to let anything happen to you, Cheesecake. I promise. There you go. There you go, Cupcake. Now Churro's going to go in because Cupcake's in there. Yay! I told you the pool wasn't going to hurt you. Where's Sherbert? Sherbert, you want to come in the pool? See? Everybody's okay in the pool. It's okay. You can come sit with me. You girls gonna get in? Is that better? You guys haven't swam today. Sherbert, why are you limping, baby? She may have sprained her leg. Yeah, go all the way around. It's okay. It's okay. See? The girls are all by the pool. You're okay. There you go. There you go, babies. You gonna do it? You're so close. You're so close. You're almost there. You can jump right back out if you don't feel safe. Yeah.